What's up guys, MKBHD here, and welcome to the retail unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So this is an interesting one. This is the first foldable phone that's really going on sale to the masses. It's priced way higher than even any other high-end Samsung flagship, so it's clearly positioned as a luxury device. And so while you're probably right that most people won't be buying this, some people will. So it's already on sale, it's pre-order. So this is what people paying that $1,980 will get in the box, plus a few bonus second impressions. So if you haven't already seen my detailed first impressions video, boom, it's up there in the corner, or it's the first link right below that like button. So you're about to see a bunch of examples of Samsung trying really hard to make you feel like your money was well spent. So the presentation of the box, as you've seen, within a box, it's awesome, it's super extra. The thin box on the top is the phone, believe it or not, but we're gonna put that to the side for a second because you do get some other stuff. So in this pouch here at the top, there's a two-piece Kevlar case and a SIM card ejector tool, and we'll get back to that case in a minute. Then in this little AKG sleeve here at the top, there are a pair of Samsung Galaxy Buds. So these are the $139 wireless earbuds that you could consider AirPods equivalents in the Samsung or Android world. Pretty big inclusion here if you ask me, and since the Galaxy Fold doesn't have a headphone jack, this is one step closer to committing to wireless. There's no other dongles, just straight up wireless headphones. Then there's also a fast charger and USB-C to full-size USB dongle in the box. And then on the other side in those boxes, there are more rubber tips for the Galaxy Buds and a USB-C to USB-A cable. And then that's it for accessories, which brings us back to this thin white box from the top. Just like the other box, it says Galaxy, but folded, so Galaxy Fold. And inside is the phone, folded flat. So that's why it's so thin. I don't know exactly why they ship it like this, if it's to avoid having a big crease from the factory, or it's just more dramatic, or both, or neither, I don't know. But it ships flat. This is the black one. And then I'll shut up for a second so we can get the plastic off it. Always fun. So booting it up for the first time, the setup process is pretty much identical to the Galaxy S10 or any other Samsung phone. You sign into your Google account, you sign into your Samsung account. You can do this on the front screen or on the inside screen, but like I said in the first impressions video, that keyboard is kind of small, so I prefer the bigger screen. And then by the end of it, eventually, you end up in the Galaxy